Changing oil might seem like a simple task, but are you sure you're doing it correctly? Let's discuss the most common mistakes people make when changing their oil. The first mistake is not putting oil inside of the new filter. When replacing the oil filter, always make sure to fill it up with some oil. This will reduce the amount of time your engine will run without oil pressure. This helps protect engine components from wear and tear, reducing the risk of damage caused by insufficient lubrication. The next mistake is not warming up your engine before draining the oil. When oil is cold, it thickens. Thicker oil drains more slowly and might not remove all the residue. By warming up your engine to normal operating temperature, you'll ensure that the oil comes out faster and more thoroughly. The third mistake you could be making is not lubricating the gasket of the new oil filter. When you rotate the filter onto the engine, the gasket between the filter and the engine can create friction, which might lead to tearing. A tear in the gasket can result in oil leaking from the engine. That's why it's crucial to always lubricate the gasket before installing the new oil filter. The next mistake you could be making is adding too much oil. Excess oil can increase pressure within the crankcase, leading to potential leaks. Also, when you overfill the engine, it could cause the oil to start foaming. When this happens, oil won't be able to lubricate the engine parts as efficiently. The next mistake you could be making is not adding enough oil. When you add too little engine oil, all the moving parts in the engine won't be properly lubricated, leading to increased friction. This wears things down faster, leading to damage. The last mistake is tightening the filter too much. It's best to tighten the filter by hand instead of using any kind of wrenches. Typically, most filters should be tightened by about 3/4 of a turn once the gasket touches the engine. If you over-tighten the filter, the next time you change the oil, it will be more of a struggle to take off. Now, if you guys gained value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.